Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. How are you? Are you ready to get started? Today you're going to need your student book, workbook, science, a red pencil, and a regular pencil. Emiliano, Sebastian, Daniela, Elian, Rebecute, Leonardo, Angel, how are you? I'm going to be working with you again. I am so excited. Okay, please open your workbook to page 78 and 79. Let's check yesterday's work. Are you ready? Very well. We already answered the questions yesterday, right? At the top of the page. Now we're going to go to A, and these are your answers. Check carefully. Be honest, remember. Okay. Just to review. Renewable and non-renewable. Here you go. What is renewable? It's a resource that can be used time after time. Some examples are oxygen, fresh water, solar energy, timber. Non-renewable means that it cannot be replaced after they are used. Some examples are rocks, minerals, metals, fossil fuels, such as petroleum, coal, and natural gas. Okay, but this is not in your book. Now, letter B, forms of energy. Here is the list. Check carefully. Very well. And the last part of that page is letter C. These are the answers. Good job. I bet you have them all right. If you have them all correct, you already have excellent. Did you all get a good grade? Was it easy? I don't think you have any problems. You are very intelligent. Okay, my darlings, now close your workbook and take out your student book. Open your student book to page 89. 89. Are you ready? Let's answer the questions. What do you use electricity for in your home or school? Do you need light to see on cloudy days? What about the computer? In computer class. During lunchtime, do you need the microwave oven? What else? What else do you need? The fan in the classroom? Number 2, how might power plants make pollution? That's right, they generate fumes and garbage. Why do we say that wind farms make energy clean? Because they generate electricity without polluting. That's very important, right? Very good. Now I'm going to ask you the following questions. When you read or listen to the teacher or listen to the news, if I ask you what you understood, you're going to tell me what you read or what you listened to in your own words. What is this called? It's called paraphrasing. Let's practice. What does paraphrasing mean? Take a couple of seconds and answer. What does paraphrasing mean? That's right, to express what you read using different words, but means the same. It means the same. It's easy, right? We do it every day in the classroom. When I ask you, what did she say? Or what did you understand? You use your own words. Very well. Please turn the page. You're going to read green energy for today and tomorrow. You're going to read it once or twice. You need to pause the video. Meanwhile, I'm going to have some coffee. You should take 10 to 15 minutes. Don't forget to circle source, fossil fuels, non-renewable, and renewable as you read. Okay, so now you're going to put pause 10 or 15 minutes while you read. But don't go away and play. You need to read, okay? Pause. Okay, we're back again. Don't you think it was interesting? Turn your student book to page 92. You're going to put a check mark on either of the two columns. Here you have your book. You have green energy and fossil fuel. It won't run out. Green energy. It can make a lot of pollution. Fossil fuel. It can't make electricity. Green energy. And fossil fuel. It can be made from plants growing now. Green energy. It makes almost 25% of our electricity. Green energy. Very good. Next activity, look at your book. It says, choose a paragraph from green energy for today and tomorrow. You're going to paraphrase the paragraph. Remember, you need to use your own words. You're going to take a couple of minutes to complete that. So, once again, I'm going to ask you to pause. Pause the video. Did you find this interesting and easy? Very good. Sometime in the future I'll check your work. Very good. The following exercise will help you to learn more about paraphrasing. Are you ready? Okay, let's do this together. Number 1, it says, the sun and the wind are sources of green energy. What is the correct letter? We get green energy from the sun and the wind. Okay. Number 2, much of our energy comes from fossil fuels. What would be the most accurate answer? That's right, A. A lot of our energy comes from fuels formed millions of years ago. 3. Fossil fuels are renewable. That's right, D. Fossil fuels are gone forever when they're used up. The last one. Green energy is renewable. B, very good. We won't run out of wind energy. Okay, what do you think about this? It's easy, right? You kids are so bright. I know you have the idea. Very good. With this activity, we're going to finish using our student book. Please close it. And now take out your science book. Very good. We're going to talk about how materials combine. Please open your book to page 94. Okay, this is block 3, unit 2. Very good. The lesson is, how do materials combine with water? Before we continue, I want you to repeat these words: solvent, soluble, insoluble. Very good. Solvent. Solvent means that it's able to dissolve in other substances. What examples? For example, coffee, maybe sugar. It gets mixed up with the water, with whatever you mix it up with, milk. What does soluble mean? Some examples are sugar, salt, and coffee. Insoluble. Some examples are sand, fats, wood, metals, plastic. They just don't dissolve. Okay? That's like the main idea. Okay. Now look at your book. Look at the pictures of the meals. What do you see? You see some coffee, some juice. What can you identify? An apple, some toasts. Let's identify them. Number 1 says, write the letter next to the correct word. Okay, milk. What letter would correspond to milk? F. Very good. Bread. That's right. E. Look at the orange juice. Very good. B. Coffee. Coffee is D. Apple. Apple is C. Honey. That's right. Honey is A. Okay. Did you know grapefruit is 91% water? That means grapefruit is good when you're on a diet. It has very little calories. Also, jicama. Isn't it delicious? I've seen how you eat it when you buy in the little store. Jicama with lemon and a little bit of salt. Tastes delicious. It's a lot of water in the jicama. Well, I hope you enjoyed the class. And I hope you can tell me tomorrow what you learned, you must have learned something new. I hope you enjoyed the class, and I'm excited and thrilled to be seeing you tomorrow. Okay? Very good. Have a nice day.